Hi guys, Shell5 here. So this is the part 2 of my Everline order I mentioned, or the second order from the same period of Luna, MD from the drama Let Me Be Your Knight. So I'm going to get right into it. I will leave a link to the other part, which is the rabbit doll. That was the other merch that came separately. So here it should be everything else. I'm pretty sure I got everything. So the stationery set, the guitar pick thing, and the tumbler. So, okay. Let's take out. Oh, interesting. So the tumbler comes with a postcard set. It looks like it's in different packaging. Ooh, this is the stationery set. That's the thing I'm most excited for. So yeah. Nice. Okay. We'll start with the small thing. Ooh, worldwide band. Luna. So, official MD, guitar pick keyring, and photo cards. Wonderful. Oh, how am I gonna open this? How am I gonna open this? Oh, no, I'm ripping it, I'm ripping it, I'm ripping it. Oh gosh. Oh well. That's the best I could do. So it comes in this metal tin with the sticker on top. Oh, so here is the keyring. It's like wooden. It's like laminated wood. It says Luna. Black chain. This is really cute. So this will be going on my keychain grid. And sorry, there's too much stuff on my desk. Here's the photo card set. There should be 2 per number. How do I get these out? Oh gosh. Excuse me while I try something. Yes, okay, so they're very snug in there. Okay, so you have SHINee, right? No, Tae. Oops. Tae, Yoon. Oh, he's SHINee. Then Yoon. Oh. And then Gaon. And then, oh, this is dope. Oh. So we get 4 photo cards per member. That is nice. That is very nice. So the backs are all just gray with the member names. And this is like a laminated, like a glossy finish. So it's very nice. Very, very nice. So there's too many things here. Oops. Okay, so that was that. Next, let's do the tumbler. So here's the postcard set. I want to do this first. So I wasn't going to get the tumbler, but then I decided I wanted the postcards. Because I do collect everything from Jisung, so if I don't get this now, I won't be able to get it ever. So group postcard. This is metallic. Ooh. Mr. Tane. Oh. Mr. Yoon. Oh, you can see the Luna because it's probably like pressed metallic. And then SHINee. Yuchan. And I finally got their names, and like now it's like the end of their merch. And then Gaon, look at this. Oh my gosh. Mr. Donyan. So yeah, you get 2 cards per member and a group card. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Hold on. Like I said, too many things. Okay. And let's look at the tumbler. Oh gosh, how am I gonna open this? we're gonna do the X-Acto knife. Okay. Oh, I didn't show that. It does have this Luna sticker here, the moon, Luna, and here it says Tumblr and Postcard Set. So it is a pretty cool looking tumbler from the picture. Oh, it's it's pretty small, very interesting. It is glittery. I don't know if you can tell, maybe more in the light. It is very glittery, and it has this gold metallic details of some constellations, stars, Luna on the bottom. Oh, this is nice. It's got like a, I'm guessing this is the brand that made it. SHINee. Oh, and it is metal. So metal. And you know, rubber stopper here. Very good. This is like for 1 cup of coffee, probably. Or maybe soup. I don't know. But yeah, this is very interesting. Very interesting. I've never had a tumbler like that. It's a very small size. It is hefty though. So yeah, that's that. And now let me go on to the stationery set, which is what I'm most excited for. Okay. Although I'm really glad they gave us a photo card set. Nothing random here. Like, thank you so much. Okay. So, Luna stationery kit. Official MD stationery kit. Can we see just fine? Oh, there's everything. So, first we have the post-its. So this is the whole band right there. This moon image. The sticker set. Let's do that first. The sticker set. So it has their instruments. The drums, because my boy's a drummer here. Microphone. And then their names. So pretty simple stickers, but still very cute. They come in a pouch, which is very nice. These are reusable, you know, you can store other things in here afterwards. Love that. And the photo card set. So we have this group image here. We have Mr. Tane, Woon, Shin, Yoo-chan, Gaon. Yeah, so here we got 2 per member and a group. Look at Jisung, oh my gosh. So yeah, I did get this for Jisung, so I do plan to only keep Jisung. Oh, it's matte with metallic silver on the back. I do plan to only keep Jisung. I will be selling off like the member items for the other guys, because I think there might have been other people as well who wanted just 1 member, not the whole set. Here is the Standee. So it is like a cardboard foam Standee. So it has Luna logo and then the guys right there. They look so cute. They're so soft. Ugh. And then we have the pen. I ripped the plastic. Oh wow. And it's like, it's rubber. Yeah, it's rubber. The Luna logo. It's just a ballpoint pen. And then here we have the, what is this? What is this? Just the journal? Oh, yeah, it's just a journal, but it does have some images. So we will try to look at those. So on this side it's blind and on this side it's blank. Oh, look at this. I'm guessing those are song lyrics. So here we have Gaon. Some lyrics there. We have Yoo-chan. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. So I'm guessing there's pictures for each member and then like a handwritten thing. Mr. Shin. Mr. Woon. Oh. Is he the last one? Okay, yes, Mr. Tane is the last one. So yeah, this is very nice. This is like rough. This is like watercolor paper for people who know what that feels like. And the paper inside is like really thick, really, really thick blank paper. And then the last thing in here is this, which is supposed to be a calendar type. Like it has the thing, but yeah. Man, I need a new A4 folder just for Jisung because there's so many things. So I have to show these sideways, sorry. January, February, March, April for Jisung, May, July. Oh, you get unit images, nice. Wait, that was June. This is July. August, September, October. Wait, yeah, October, November, and December. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is the soft outfits from the Standee. So yeah, this was it for the stationery kit. Let me do a recap. So we got these A4 calendar thing. You get this notebook, Standee. How does this go? Notebook, Standee, pen, Post-it, stickers, photo card set. And like I said, I also got the tumbler with the postcard set and the guitar pick keychain with the photo card set. Let me put Jisung in front. So yeah, this was everything. If you want to see the rabbit doll, I did get the BAM version. I did do an unboxing for that, so I'll link that below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Luna merch. I'm so happy we got Luna merch. We got a Luna album. This is how you do a drama group, you know? Original music, original items. Like, this is how you get people excited and stuff. I haven't even seen the drama, but I've spent mad money on it. I do plan to watch it. If you've watched it, let me know. I did see all the teasers for the first episode, and it looked hilarious. So I do look forward to watching that when I have time. But yeah, thanks for watching.